Yes, it is possible to build a six-figure cleaning business in 30 days or less, but only if you get the 4 things I'm breaking down in this video right. Not doing any one of these 4 things will lead to slow and frustrating growth. So be sure to watch until the very end. And to prove that what I'm about to teach you is true, a few years ago, my husband and I started our cleaning business over in a brand new state. And within a few weeks, we had a 6-figure cleaning business again. Prior to moving, we didn't know a single person in our new home. And on top of that, it's a town of less than 7,000 people. So how did we do it? And how do so many of my coaching students accomplish the same thing? By mastering these 4 things. Let's get to work. Number 1, pricing. It's a common belief that cleaning is a cheap skill, but it's not. It's an expertise, just like so many other services. And good cleaning businesses deserve to be paid fairly for it. And while there is no shortage of clients out there looking for the cheapest cleaning business, there are also plenty of clients out there looking for quality. And they're willing to pay for it. Trust me. When you break it down, business is about problems and solutions. And if someone hires a cheap cleaning provider who doesn't do a good job, where does that leave them? Eventually looking for a better cleaning provider because they still need a solution to their problem. And they then have the understanding that, like most things in life, you get what you pay for. So don't position yourself as the cheapest option. Position yourself as the best option. And to the right clients, your price simply won't matter. Number 2, don't try to serve everyone. Yes, there are cleaning businesses that do it all, but the fastest way to grow your business and income is by targeting and serving one ideal client. For 15 plus years, I did luxury residential. When my husband joined the business, we switched to high-ticket commercial, and now we hire out our cleaning, utilizing both subcontractors and legal employees, depending on the situation. But we have a very specific ideal client profile. And if a new prospect doesn't fit within that profile, we simply say no thank you and move on. So define a very specific client type and stick to providing very specific services, and that will skyrocket your income. Number 3, fewer clients with higher values. So what is the fastest way to build a 6-figure cleaning business? Find one client who needs 6 figures worth of annual cleaning services. And yes, they're out there, and a lot of them. What's the second fastest way? Find 2 clients who combined need 6 figures worth of annual cleaning services. You get the idea. Now, true, you don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket, but in a short time, you'll have enough clients that it won't matter. The point is, serving fewer clients with higher value to your business is the quickest way to grow. And this is especially helpful if and when you hire out the cleaning for so many reasons. And even in residential, this should be your goal. I once had a single luxury residential client with a $40,000 annual cleaning budget. Then another at the same time with an over $20,000 annual cleaning budget. But there are lots of clients out there with around $10,000 annual cleaning budgets. Find 10 of them and you have a 6-figure cleaning business. The point is, you want quality over quantity. And number 4, which I encourage you not to skip just because you think it's obvious, is to be a true professional. Your first impression is absolutely critical. And when we are selling cleaning services, people care what we look like. That doesn't mean we need fancy designer clothes, but when we go after high-value clients, we need to dress like a professional. And because of that, that prospect will be way more interested in learning what we're all about. But it doesn't stop there. When you land that client, your professional nature needs to continue. Because with no clients, you have no business and you have no income. So it should be your number 1 goal to make them feel valued and appreciated. And remember, happy customers become repeat customers who will then recommend you to others. And that is the ultimate recipe for success. Bottom line, professionalism matters. And not showing it in all aspects of your business will get clients looking at other cleaning providers in a hurry. If what I taught in this video sounds like something you want to learn more about, then be sure to check out my coaching program, which is linked below all of my videos. It's a complete step-by-step roadmap to get you where you want in a hurry. And it's a place where you can connect with me even more. But if you're not quite there yet, then watch this video next. And let's keep building what you want together.